To find the median, what you need to do is you need to take and list out all the heights in order with their frequencies and then cross off until you find the middle. So I've kind of started it over here, but you notice that this would be very, very time consuming because this tells me that there's 160, 661s, 1062s, 763s, etc. And looking ahead here, if you don't want to write out 23 66s, there has to be a better way to do this. So what you can do is you can cross off until you reach the middle from the frequency table. So for example, this 160 would cross off with this 176. 4 of these 75s would cancel off 4 of these and you would have 2 left. Then 1 of these would cancel off 1 of these and you'd have 1 left. Then this one would cancel off with 1 of these and you'd have 3 left. And I'm going to continue to do this until I find the middle. So these 3 would cancel 3 of these, I'd have 7 left. 7 of these would cancel with 7 of these, I'd have 2 left. 2 of these would cancel with 2 of these, I'd have 5 left. 5 of these would cancel with 5 of these, 2 left. 2 71s cancel with 2 of these, I'd have 2 left. 2 of the 64s would cancel with 2 of these, I'd have 8 left. 8 of the 70s would cancel with 8 of these, I'd have 11 left. 7 would cancel with 7 of these, and I would have 4 left. 4 of these would cancel with 4 of these, and I would have 7 left. 7 of these would cancel with 7 of these, and I would have 16 left. And then 6 of these would cancel with 6 of these, and I would have 10 left. And so 66 right here, since that's the only one that's left over, and you have 10 of those left over, this would have to be your median. Okay, to find the IQR, what we need to do next is we need to divide the data up into 2 parts. So we're going to divide the data up into our lower half and our upper half. So the first thing that we're going to do is the lower half of the data, we're going to find Q1, which is the median of the lower half. So right here, notice that my median of my whole data was halfway between these two 66s that I have the circle around. So this 66 went in the lower half and this 66 went in the upper half. And so I'm going to cross off in green here and find the median of the lower half. So this 60 is going to cross off with this 66, this 61 with this 66, and I'm going to continue to do this until I find the median. So this will just take a little while here. Makes it a little bit difficult when you have so many numbers, but not too bad. Make sure, see how I'm going to the bottom of this list here when I start crossing them off here? That's why you want to make sure you have them in order. And so then I go to the top of this list. And I'm just going to continue to do this until I meet in the middle here. So this right here is my quartile 1. And it looks like that is a 60, if I can read my handwriting, 65, because there's 19 65s. That's a 65. Okay, so then next I'm going to do my quartile 3, which is the median of my upper half. And I've kind of got these numbers all kind of messed up here. So this 66 is going to cross off with this 76. 66 was 75. 66 was 75. And I need to scroll up here. This 66, 75. So let's cross off. So I don't have to scroll so much. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm just going to continue to do this until I get to the middle. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I gotta go back up to the top here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 5. That one went down there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry. 5. Okay, now I might want to start doing this 1, 2, cross off, cross off, cross off, cross off, cross off, cross off, until we get to the middle. And right there's my IQR. So quartile 3 looks like it is 70. So the IQR is quartile 3 minus quartile 1. So it's 70 minus 65 for an IQR of 5. So when you did this problem right here, your median should have been 66 and your IQR should have been 5. Let's just check that out. That's correct. Okay. The next thing we'll do is the mean.